On today's day in my life, I just wanted to address a question that I get asked a lot, and that is, what do you do? I always tell people I have 3 types of days, and those are field, lab, and office. And you may have seen the manatee recovery video I posted recently. That's just one aspect of the job, and it is my favorite. While I do observe a lot of wildlife, my main focus is actually in surface water quality. Everything relies on the quality of our waterways, so I spend a lot of time out on the boat collecting water samples. The samples are mainly analyzed for nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. That's because algae feeds off of nutrients, so if there's an excess amount of nutrients, then the algae blooms. You may have heard of red tide or are familiar with red tide, and that's an example of an algae bloom. My days in the lab are spent either looking through the microscope, seeing what we're finding in our samples. I also put together sample kits and I label tubes, lots and lots of tube labeling. And my office days generally consist of sifting through data, responding to emails, or sitting in meetings. Florida weather is really unpredictable.